Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about my body, know about my health, know about my diabetes. I'm gonna talk about how to change the flashing light, the blinking light from your Toyota, Rav4 Toyota 2013. Yeah, my blinking light broke like 1 month ago, and I can't sleep thinking I needed to fix that. I need to fix that. And today I came here in the store to fix that. And to don't buy a wrong light, I came and figured out by myself how to remove and replace the blinking light. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step. Okay, keep you watching. First, you have to open here. You're gonna open the car on front. Then you can follow me. There is a key here, so you bring it to your left, and then you pull. And here, this cable, you're gonna put in here, correct? So show him, my cameraman. That is this cable here, look, because mine is the blinking light, so the blinking light is right on front. There is this cable here. You're gonna turn it and you're gonna get the light, and then you're gonna remove the light. So I'm gonna bring it to the store inside to buy the correct light to replace that. Okay, I just went to the store and I bought the corrective bulb, and I'm gonna try to replace. I went to the store Toyota, the correct one, to buy the original one, because I had buying so many times different ones. When I go try and I ask somebody to try and doesn't work, and so today is my first time trying by myself, and I think I got the correct bulb. Okay, and my cameraman, say hi. He's gonna record the video. Okay, keep you watching. Okay, here is the part. It usually be here. You're gonna remove. I removed already the bulb. Now I'm gonna put the new one. Hold.
Can I put it in?
Oh, great.
Yeah.
$10. $10 is please.
Your flash is on, but okay.
Here, please. Then you put it here.
What? I can't see. More your hands.
Okay, I
There
got
it
it. And then we have to put it in the roll. Yeah, I think I got it. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on the car.
Well, I gotta go.
Work?
Yep.
Ha ha! Ha ha! I want to say hi. Me and my cameraman, we did a good job. Look. Turning on? Yeah. It's great. Thank you for watching. Bye.